Question 1, we're expanding brackets, so no stakes check on brackets. So just going to multiply the term outside by each term inside. So that's going to give me 6x minus 18. Next one, multiply the term outside by each inside. So that's going to give me 12x take away 20. Mark with a green pen. Next question, solving equations like this. This means 2 times by a number plus 4 is equal to 14. You can kind of solve this without going through any formal method. You would know that 2 times by 7 is 14, so x must be 3. But there's a couple of different ways you could solve it. One is you could expand the bracket out, just like you did above here. And that will give you 2x plus 8 is equal to 14. And then you would take away 8 from both sides, and that would give you 2x is equal to 14 take away 8, which is 6, and then divide that both by 2, and that gives you this x is equal to 3, but you could spot that anyway. Now that's not the only way of working this type of question out. If it's 3 multiplied by all of x minus 2, I can actually divide both sides by 3 to start with. And then that's going to give me this x minus 2 is equal to 12 divided by 3, which would be 4. So then I add 2 to both sides to undo the taking away 2, and that gives me x is equal to 6. So there's more than one way of being able to solve this type of question. Right, next question about factorizing. I'm looking for a common factor of 3x and 6. So 3 goes into 3x, is a factor of it, and 3 goes into 6. So I'm doing the reverse process of expanding the bracket. I'm putting back into the bracket. So 3 times by x would give me 3x, and 3 times by 2 would give me 6. So we're going to do that bracket expansion. Next one, 4 goes into both 4x and 12, so I can remove 4. Then I'm going to have x plus 3 in the bracket. Okay, next question. Given that the area here is 20, what you've got is you've actually got a situation 4 times by x plus 3 is equal to 20. It's like this here, except I'll put it into this kind of actual situation. So if I divide both sides by 4, I must know that x plus 3 is equal to 5. So if I take away 3, then x must be equal to 2. Last question. This is our double bracket expansion. So we're going to use FOIL as we practiced. So x times by x would give me x squared. Outer, x times by minus 7 is going to give me minus 7x. Inner, x times by plus 2 gives me plus 2x. And last, 2 times minus 7 gives me minus 14. And then I've just got to put this together. So I've got x squared minus 7x plus 2x is minus 5x. And then minus 14. There's your answer. Last question. FOIL again. X times by 2x gives me 2x squared. Outer x times by minus 3 gives me minus 3x. Last one, 1 times by 2x gives me plus 2x. And last, 1 times minus 3 gives me minus 3. So I've just got to put these together. So I've got 2x squared minus 3x plus 2x gives me minus 1x. But I can write that just as minus x. Minus 1x is the same as just minus x, and then I've got minus 3.